Nike and Undercover have had a near decade-long relationship, with the shoe of 2018, the React Element 87, surprising many. Could this Nike Daybreak impress again? Hey, what's up guys? Sneaker News here again. We're taking a look at the Undercover X Nike Daybreak, releasing June 7th for a retail of 160 USD. To see what retailers are getting these, make sure to check out the links below. And while you're at it, like and subscribe. Jun Takahashi is definitely known to be an avid runner, with his long-running Yakuza collaboration sporting this concept of meditative running. As one of the few mainline collaborations with Nike, with the Jungle Dunk and a few React Element 87s coming before it, this retro runner, dubbed the Daybreak, is finished off by Jun Takahashi's characteristically aggressive design. Originally showcased during his Spring-Summer 19 runway show, which shares the collection moniker of the New Warriors, and it also shares some of the same elements found on the Converse that coincided. So let's take a deeper look. As you can see right here on the heel counter, it protrudes pretty massively in a monstrous fashion. Jagged edges right here simulate the jaws of a shark, with the underscored U sitting right at the back here on a leather tab. This is pretty typical of Jun's graphic t-shirts. It's found pretty prominently. And in another logo lockup, it's the classic bold-faced Helvetica sitting on a speckled white midsole. The materials are pretty premium this time around. The toe cap features a pretty nappy, hairy suede, and that can also be found on the eye stay right here. Laces are distressed just slightly, with a little bit of texture coming off similarly to the suede found elsewhere. Around the toe box, you can see a nylon synthetic, which is a pretty good contrast to the more matte finish of the other components. A white, pretty enlarged check sits right here on the profile, matching the sort of amped up aesthetics of the rest of the shoe. As you can see right here on the tongue, on the white tab, it has the typical co-branding, Nike with blue check, and it has his classic fonts right here with the designer's name, as is typical. And this can also be found on the insole. And the sole unit is pretty reminiscent of like retro runners, and it can also be found on the ever-popular Sacai LD waffle. This would be no collaborative release if there wasn't a special box. Here it's pretty standard on top with the Undercover Helvetica right here on the side. And if you take a look inside, you'll see some nice black paper. So this silhouette is arriving in 7 colorways. There is this black-white one, as well as a black-blue and black-yellow. So if you aren't too afraid of colors, you can definitely check those out. But if you are a fan of more versatile schemes, this is definitely your guy. So Jun Takahashi, with his ongoing collaborations with Nike, further proves how amazing of a designer he is, and almost every collaboration has been pretty well received, especially this one. So it's interesting to see where he'll take it further, especially with his Yakuza line and his mainline collaborations. This has been a quick review of the Undercover X Nike Daybreak, releasing June 7th globally for a retail of 160 USD. Make sure to check the description below to see links on where to cop and what retailers will be getting them. Make sure to like and subscribe, and in the comments below, tell us what you think about this pair. Will you be copying? This is Michael from Sneaker News tuning out. We hope you enjoyed taking a look at this Undercover Nike Daybreak. Thanks for watching.